Welcome to Just a Thought. Today we're going to be looking at anti-slavery, and I'm going to hand over to Dan.
In school, we were taught that slavery ended hundreds of years ago. In fact, there are more slaves today than there ever has been. People like you and me are beaten, raped, starved, and forced into labour, put in brothels, boats, houses and factories, making the things we consume on a daily basis. Today is Anti-Slavery Day, and we are called to love this world and love the people in it. And just like God cares about the injustices of this world, we too need to care. So let's pray for an end to slavery, but let's also be part of the solution. Let's actively take a stand against slavery. There are organisations out there who are doing everything they can to defeat slavery, and we've linked just a few in our stories and our bios. So take a look and see how you can be a part of the solution and put an end to slavery once and for all.
Thanks, Dan. Thanks for bringing us that reminder that sadly slavery really still is in our world today. Do you know, the Bible tells us that sadly people do wrong and awful things, but he also tells us there is hope and love because of what Jesus did for us at the cross. And Christians all around the world do all they can to help support people who've gone through the most horrendous of situations. But I guess the big question for us today is this: what can we do to be part of the solution? What can we do with those around us, on our social media, with the things that we do and say and watch? What can we do to help stop this really sad situation of slavery still going on in our world today? It's just a thought, but it's something worth thinking about and doing today.